Okay, this is part 2, and let's do the unboxing. So first is the Saie Starter Glow Kit. So this is what the bag looks like, and it has Saie imprinted on it. So the first item in here is the bronzing drops in the shade Rose Glow. Next, we have the lip oil in the shade Play. Lastly, we have the Saie blush in the shade Baby. Next, we have the mini one-size setting spray. Let's try it. It literally looks like hairspray. Next, we have the Drunk Elephant serum, which is one of my restocks because my serum's almost out. So I got one because I'm probably going to need to get one in like 2 days. And then next, I got the Tower 28 concealer, which is in a really good shade. It's the shade, my actual match shade. So I'm really happy I got this again. Then second to last, we have the Gummy Bear Laneige. It's not coming out. I want to try it. The applicator is so much harder than like the Summer Fridays. But let's try it. Whoa. All-time favorite. This tastes and smells delicious. This is my #1 favorite lip mask. And the moment you guys have all been waiting for, let's unbox the Sol de Janeiro. Okay, so I'm just unboxing it right now. Okay, I'll be back when it's done because it's taking a while. I got it. I love the cap on it. It's so much different and has like white speckles all around it. And let's do a spray test. Wait. I think
just spray in the
I think I did a good one. I chose a good one. And that was our Sephora haul. Hope you guys really enjoyed and see you guys later. Bye.